morning to all. So it's sharp 4 a.m. now, and as you can see, I wake up and now I'll brush my teeth, wash my face, do little yoga, and then I'll sit for my study. That is, I'll do some practicals of my graduation, and will also write a note. Okay, so it's sharp 6:30 a.m. now, and I did practical for some time. Actually, I was doing a practical on Indian village, okay, which was written by S.C. Dubey. So Dubey studied a village called Samirpet village, which was 20 miles away from Hyderabad, in Hyderabad. So I read the book in my phone itself. It is in PDF format. I have read it, and then I was trying to write about the objectives, theoretical schema, critical analysis, key findings. So these are the things we were asked by our teacher to do. So I was doing the critical analysis now. I have to read a lot क्योंकि पेज जो है आपका 250 या 300 पेज का होता है, उसमें से आपको ढूंढना है, तो समय तो थोड़ा लगेगा ही. तो अभी मैं थोड़ा सा एक शॉर्ट ब्रेक लूँगा. I'll take a short break of 15 minutes, and around 6:45 I'll be again back and I'll continue again. Okay, so it's sharp 9:25 a.m. now, and I have dressed up, and now we will have our food. As you can see, this is our rice, and today we will have egg. We have made egg, as you can see. So now we will have our food. Okay, so it's sharp 10:05, and I have reached my college, and now I'll go inside the class and do the classes. Okay, so it's sharp 3:30 p.m. now, and our classes are over, and now I'll march towards my room. Take care. Okay, so it's sharp 4:30, and I will not cook my lunch now because my friend told that he had eaten something in the fast food shop. So I have also not cooked. I went to the fast food shop. I had eaten something there, and now I'll take rest for 30 minutes, and from 5 p.m. onwards I'll sit for my study. I'll do the practicals. Okay, so it's sharp 10:15 p.m. now, and I had my dinner, and now I'll sleep. But before that, I would like to share a line with you. You have to grow from inside out. None can teach you, none can make you spiritual. There is no other teacher but your own soul. Good night. Take care.